Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this freehand and nail dot design. So I painted my nails with this polish by finger paints. It's their wood collection called Would I Lie to You. It's a cross between purple and pink. It's just a really pretty polish. Now using my thin black nail striper, I'm going to draw two lines and I'm going to fill in the middle of the design. Now you can use a nail brush with black polish or acrylic paints or any kind of colors that you want. This doesn't necessarily have to be the colors that you use. I just like the look of it. Now, I like to use my nail stripers because they're much easier and simple for me to use. But like I said, you can use a nail brush with polish if you want. Then I'm going to apply some hollow flake glitter on top of the design. The glitter is called Shine On Crazy Diamond and it's by Orly. I was going to leave it by itself, but I just love this glitter flake hollow. It's really pretty. And it's just gives it a nice little glam look to the whole design. Then I'm going to apply some black dots along the design. Now the polish I'm using is by Color Club and it's called Black Magic. It's a black hollow polish and I just thought it would look really cute with the, middle of the design having hollow in it. So it's a really hollow design. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want using any color combos you like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.